Welcome back, my dear student. How are you? I hope everyone will be fine. And today I am going to explain the chapter Getting Future Ready. And I have also completed the first part of the chapter and explained it in our previous video. So if you have not seen this the previous video of this chapter, then you go to the icon of the channel and find out the video and watch out. And it is the second part. Today I will explain the second part of the chapter. And this chapter, this is the topic is the human robot, and it is the depend on the science and engineering work, and it is the grow our knowledge very well. And you can see here the image of the Sophia. She looks like a human, and but he is not a completely human. He is only a robot, but its explanation and the facial explanation is a looks like a human, and its answer is that he reply by asking the question. She replies like a woman, and it is the programmed by the Hudson company. A humanoid robot is a robot. I will say about the robot. A humanoid robot is a robot which its body shape built to resemble the human body. The design may be for functional purpose, such as interacting with human tools, and environments for experimental purpose, such as the study of bipedal locomotion, okay, or for their purpose. In general, humanoid robots have a torso, a head, two arms, and two legs. Through some form of the humanoid robots may model only part of the body. Okay, for example, from the waist up, some humanoid robots also have heads designed to replicate human facial features such as eyes and mouth. Androids are the humanoid robots built to aesthetically resemble human, but Sophia is the different all of these. You can see a, a Hanson robotic boost. You know about the name of the Hanson robotic, and Hanson robotic is a most advanced human-like robot. Sophia personifies our dreams for the future of algorithm intelligence as a unique combination of science, engineering, and artistry. Sophia is simultaneously a human crafted science fiction characters respecting the future of algorithm intelligence and robotics, and a platform for the advanced robotic and algorithm intelligence research. The character of the Sophia captures the imagination of global audience. She is the world's first robot citizen and the first robot innovation ambassador for the United Nations Development Programme. Sophia is now a household name with appearance on the Tonight Show and Good Morning Britain. Okay, in addition to speaking at hundreds of the conferences around the world, Sophia is doing a hundred of conferences around the world. Sophia is also a framework for cutting edge robotic and all research, particularly for the understanding human robot interactions and their potential service and entertainment applications. For example, she has been used for research as part of the Loving All algorithm project, which seeks to understand how robots can adapt to users' needs through intra and interpersonal development. So, it is the brief introduction of the Sophia, and next is we know about the more thing about the Sophia. Sophia is here is the human robots. Are you know are you robots all the brain and no heart, all intelligent and no emotions. A robot can move